Welcome back, health enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of natural healing with a focus on a fascinating and powerful medicinal mushroom. If you've ever wondered about the secrets hidden within this ancient remedy, you're in the right place. Before we unmask the healing powers of reishi mushrooms, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wellness content. Introduction to reishi mushrooms. First things first, what exactly are reishi mushrooms? Reishi, scientifically known as Ganoderma lucidum, has been revered in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, often referred to as the mushroom of immortality or the king of mushrooms. Reishi has a rich history of use for promoting overall well-being. Nutritional profile. Let's take a look at the nutritional profile of reishi mushrooms. Packed with bioactive compounds, reishi contains polysaccharides, triterpenes, and antioxidants. These elements work synergistically to support various aspects of our health, from boosting the immune system to reducing inflammation. Immune system support. One of the standout features of reishi is its remarkable ability to enhance the immune system. Studies suggest that the polysaccharides in reishi can stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's defense against infections and diseases. Stress reduction. In our fast-paced lives, stress is inevitable. Reishi mushrooms have adaptogenic properties, meaning they help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Whether it's mental or physical stress, incorporating reishi into your routine might be a natural way to find calmness. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues. Reishi mushrooms have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes them a potential ally in the prevention of various diseases. How to incorporate reishi into your routine? Now that we've uncovered some of the healing powers of reishi mushrooms, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. From teas to tinctures, extracts, and even capsules, there are various ways to enjoy the benefits of reishi. Uses of reishi mushrooms. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, reduce stress, or support overall well-being, reishi mushrooms offer versatile solutions. You can enjoy reishi through soothing teas, convenient tinctures, potent extracts, or even as a supplement. Some even get creative by incorporating reishi into their culinary creations, adding both flavor and potential health benefits to their dishes. And there you have it, unmasking the healing powers of reishi mushrooms. Nature has a way of providing us with incredible remedies, and reishi is undoubtedly a shining example. If you've had any experiences with reishi or have questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.